How to kill moss with bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda is just a long name for something you probably already have in your kitchen cupboard: baking soda. And although people know that baking soda has many uses, you may not know that you can use it to get rid of invasive moss, especially in turf grass. Using bicarbonate of soda is not a long-term solution. You are going to have to dry out your turf grass to take care of that, but it is fast, safe and effective in the short term. Things you will need: baking soda, container, wooden spoon, spray bottle, broom, scrub brush. Step 1. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of baking soda to 1 quart of warm water in a large container. Stir gently until the baking soda has completely dissolved. Step 2. Place the solution in a spray bottle. Step 3. Wait for a warm, dry day, and thoroughly coat the moss with the baking soda solution, taking care to avoid spraying nearby plants, including any turf grass. Repeat applications may be needed to completely kill the moss. Step 1. Sprinkle dry baking soda over moss growing on a hard surface. Cover the moss liberally. Use dry baking soda on walkways, decks and patio furniture. Step 2. Brush the moss gently with a broom so that it is evenly distributed. Work it into the moss. Step 3. Wait 2 to 3 days until the moss dries, becomes golden and flaking occurs. Scrub the dead moss from the area and then rinse it and the baking soda away.